Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out ONDO's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right in here and the idea was that we are going to have some sort of a move up because it seems like that we are on our way to complete a 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulsive structure down. And well, okay, after an impulse down, usually we are going to have some sort of a move up because, well, let's be honest, nothing goes up or down in a straight way. I think we can all agree with that, and as you can see, we did get our move on the upside. Now, this move by itself, I think said that in the previous video, is not really going to be a surprise. No, what really for me matters is the shape of the move. And unfortunately in this area, I'm not seeing optimistic signs because I want to say maybe we are having an A, B, C in form of a zigzag structure up, which the subways for it are going to be like this. 1 2 3 4 5 into A, corrective movement into wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, not really important, and then another 5 up into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. So let's actually go on a 15-minute time frame, and I want to be very clear, in my own time I don't really go on such lower time frames, but this is just for the sake of educational purposes, so I'm thinking it's fine. Okay, in my opinion, we can consider a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up to about this point, and followed by that, I'm gonna say probably we had starting from this high an A, B, C in form of a flat, and this can be another 1 2 3 4 5 wave on the upside. And well, okay, these are probably the sub waves for, you know what I'm about to say, an A, B, C zigzag. And this is the key, this zigzag kind of, in my mind at least, got confirmed when in this move down in ONDO, we took the low of our B leg about, let's say, 79.5 cents. So what's the idea in here? When you zoom out a bit more, you realize, according to this scenario, we are having impulse down, correction up, and well, if this is in play, the next move is going to be another decent one on the downside. I would say in order to at least reach to about this important support area, which the lower band of it is about 67 and the higher band of it is somewhere around 72 cents, basically from the current point, or maybe just a bit higher, we can expect probably like another 15 to potentially even 20% move on the downside. Also, the fact that this move down right after our ABC zigzag is kind of a strong and sharp move doesn't really help any kind of bullish case that I could possibly imagine in here. And I'm gonna say probably we are having in this area a 1 2, and what's gonna happen next, probably we're gonna get another move down into wave 3 4 5 in order to most likely take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 75 cents. So for now, I think we need to be a bit more bearish than bullish in ONDO, as long as we're not proven otherwise. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ONDO's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.